In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Marvel Rivals on your computer. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to marvelrivals.com. Once the site loads, click on the Play Now button. You'll see download options for NetEase, Steam, and the Epic Games Store. If you're unsure which one to use, I recommend Steam since it's free and widely supported. Click the Steam button. If you don't already have Steam installed, click Install Steam in the top right corner of the page and follow the prompts to install it. And in the search bar, type Marvel Rivals and press Enter. Click on the Marvel Rivals game from the results. On the game page, click Add to Library. Now go to your Library tab in Steam, scroll down and find Marvel Rivals, click on it and choose Install. Select your installation drive, for example, your C drive, and make sure you have at least 75 gigabytes of free space. Click Install. Agree to the terms and wait for the download to complete. And that's it. You've now installed Marvel Rivals on your PC. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more gaming tutorials.